Hi, this is Mahesh from techglimpse.com. Through this video tutorial, I am going to tell you how to use Move tool in Adobe Photoshop. Yes, we are ready to get into the demo, and I have a new document which is opened, and I have an image which is the TechGlimpse logo placed at the center of the document, and I want to just play with this object. So this can be called as an object or a layer. So I want to just play with this object, and I am going to select my Move tool, and which is going to be handy for my purpose. So Move tool can be selected by clicking the Move tool item from the toolbox or just by using the shortcut key V. So I am going to click the Move tool. I am going to select my object by clicking on it and just going to move around the document. So Move tool plays a very handy role in moving an object within the document. Yes, Move tool can be used to move an object within the document and also between the documents. So here I am going to create a new document, and I want to move this object from one document to other document. So just select an object and you're going to drag it from one document to the other document. So now the other document is ready with a duplicate copy of the object. Well, Move tool is not only used for moving the objects, it can use for transforming an object. I mean, you can scale an object, you can rotate an object, and you can select an object. Now I will show you what I mean. Just move your cursor to the top of the Photoshop application, and you can find few sub controls which is displayed here, and I am going to select Show Transform control. As soon as when I check that, you can see my object is surrounded with various control points, which is, you can find a control point which is on top left corner and top of the object, and top right and around the object. So this can be used for transformation, like I can scale my object diagonally, and I can scale my object horizontally, and I can scale my object vertically. Okay, now I am going to create another object, ellipse tool, and I am going to draw it on my document. Now I am selecting my Move tool, and I want to select between the objects. So now currently my ellipse object has been selected. Now I want to select my TechGlimpse object. So what should I do? So I am going to hold on my control key and click on the object which I want to select. So you can easily switch between the objects. Now without using the control key, you can select an object automatically. Photoshop will do it for you, but you have to tell Photoshop by clicking this checkbox, auto select. Now if I select an object, it does it automatically. Now I am not holding my control key. Well, see you guys till I catch you with another Adobe Photoshop tip. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you can find more such tutorials in techglimpse.com. Thank you very much.